Hey y'all, welcome to Zig's Woodshed. Thank you so much for your purchase of our reindeer. The purpose of this video is to show you how to assemble it, and the kit comes with everything you need with the exception of some super glue. So it comes with a base, a back, a face, a nose and eyes, 2 arms, 2 hands, and 2 feet. You're welcome to paint the pieces before you assemble them. Please do keep in mind that glue doesn't stick very well to paint or stain, so just be careful which areas you're painting or staining. And I'm gonna bring you in closer so I can show you how to assemble it. All right, I apologize if you see any glare on top of my toolbox. I am in my shop right now. Again, your kit comes with a base, a back, a head, a nose, eyes, 2 arms, 2 hands, and 2 feet. What I like to do is go ahead and assemble the base and the back so that can be drying while we're assembling the other pieces. And one thing I did forget, you are going to need some sort of paper towel to wipe off any excess glue. All right, so I'm just going to put a little dab, just a little dab, on the front part of each of these little holes in the base. And I'm going to put the back inside the base just like that. Flip it over and wipe off any excess glue. You don't want that sticking to your surface. So you're gonna wipe that off and then set it down to dry. Make sure your base is fully seated on the table. Okay, not sure if you guys can see that. All right, we'll put that aside to dry. Put that here. Okay, I like to go ahead and then do the face next. So I like to start with the nose. I'm going to put just a little dab of glue on the nose, just a little dab. And I'm going to put that right above his mouth. Okay, press it down, hold for a few seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to put just a little dab of glue on the eyes. Because these parts, the eyes are so small, sometimes I'll dab it on my paper towel just to get off any excess before I put it down so that there's not glue squeeze out around the eyes. So in this case, I think we'll do just a little dab. Okay, and then I will put the eyes right here in the middle of his face. Press that down, give it a couple seconds, and it should be adhered. I'm going to put that to the side. Next, I'm going to assemble the arms and the hands. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little dab of glue. It's probably a little too much. I'm going to dab that on my paper towel. Okay, and I'm going to put the hand on the arm. And what you want to do is make sure it's lined up. You don't want this hand to be hanging over the bottom of your arm because then it won't fit properly once you go to attach it to the base or to the back. So I'm just going to press that for a few seconds. Put that one to the side. Take the next hand, put a little dab of glue. Attach it to the arm, and again I'm going to make sure that the bottom is perfectly lined up. You can just kind of feel to make sure it's lined up. This one doesn't want to line up very well. All right, I'm going to give that a press. Put that to the side. I'm going to lay the reindeer flat on the table with the base overhanging the table so I have a flat surface to work with. And I'm going to put just a little dab of glue kind of around the face. You don't need to put it around the ears or the mouth. And I'm going to line it up. I'm going to feel the ears, make sure it's lined up there. Feel the face, make sure it's lined up there, and press down. And give that a few seconds to dry. Okay, Then I'm going to take my arms, and the arms line up, this edge lines up with this edge of the reindeer. Well, shoot. I did it backwards. Let me go get another one, okay? So you can kind of see how the arms line up. So I'm going to take one at a time, put a little dab of glue just right down the center. And get that lined up. Press it down. Take the other one. Put a little dab of glue. Get this one lined up with the edge. Press it down. Little dab of glue on the feet. Line that up with the edge. Press it down. Little dab of glue on the feet. Press it down. And you have a fully assembled reindeer. Again, thank you so much for your purchase. We really appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday and Christmas season.